She's doing very well. Okay.
Am I in this?
Oh, okay. Just to clean it up. That's okay. And then by our closet. Okay. And then we now pick it up for okay. You know, I'm working against the timetable. Right. True. So I have to be careful. Yes. I need to go and see my picture. Sir, this is your jeans. Mommy got fine. Is she coming to Lagos? She came with me. Oh, no, I don't know. But when she saw the crowd, she came down and now called you to face the battle. I was saying later in the evening, since that area, and I'll call you that. Oh, okay. But Macaroni. All right, Macaroni. Sir,
worldwide. Senior comedy.
We have to say bye-bye to you first, since you are busier than now. Yeah, I'm going to see Professor. Have you taken the water? Very. Especially that building. Actually, we are nearly coming. Right. So yes, all we have to do is expand it. Okay. I'm putting a few things now.
It's actually a monument.
Yes,
so
it is.
Yes.
But until we have money now to build a new one. There's maybe your assistant when you were doing. And now that was also disappointed. Oh yes, my PA, Shaibu, Doctor, is in film.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I saw his name. I said I know this name.
Yes, I know this name. Yes.